Hello over there at Oscar's Land Service Company. Thank you for giving us the green light to send this video to you guys. My name is Eddie Medina and I work with Boundless SEO, and yes, we are a digital marketing agency. I was doing some research in your area and I came across your company's website and decided to contact you. I was told Lillian would be the correct person to watch this, so Lillian, I hope you're watching. I figured I'll shoot a quick video to give you 3 tips on how you can improve your website and beat out your competition online. Now, I don't want to waste too much of your time, so I'll keep this super short. If by the end of this video you are interested in our strategies, please give me a call so we can further chat. If not, no harm, no foul. You can take this video as educational and try it yourself. Just be very careful. Also, if you're working with an SEO agency, it's good to know what you have going behind the scenes of your website. This video will show you just that, and also comparing it to one of your competitors around your area. All right, let's take a look. The 3 things I want to go over is your content, backlinks, and citations. Looks like this is your website here. It's a good website. I like the grass background. It's a good touch to it. The link seems to be working just fine. There's not a lot of content. I do see your phone number here, clickable, good. Your email, clickable, good. So it's just a good bonus to have inside of a website. Typically, you want to see around 1,500 words of text content. This will, of course, improve relevance to the services that you offer and a level of trust inside of Google for a better ranking. In that 1,500 words of content, you really want to start inserting keywords organically without any stuffing. What I mean by stuffing, in other words, is spamming. For example, having keywords all over the page, making it obvious your intentions are to throw these keywords but scattered without protocol. That's just going to hurt your website. You really want to avoid that. Believe it or not, Google will actually flag your website as spam, and that's not good for your website or your company. Let's jump into Arrows here. Looks like this is a paid tool. You could go to arrows.com if you want this. If you don't mind paying for it, it's completely fine. This is a good platform to navigate and monitor what you have going behind the scenes of your website. Looks like you have 56 organic keywords. This is good, of course. You want to add some more. Organic traffic, you have 70. So on a monthly basis, you're getting 70 people jumping onto your website organically. Referring domains, 22. Backlinks, 300, over 300. The DR section and the UR section we'll get into in just a bit. Let's talk about backlinks here for a second. When you think of the web, it's easy to imagine there are numerous websites linking to one another. Well, a backlink is just that. So it's a website that's sending traffic to your website via a URL or a hyperlink. Please be aware, though, that not all backlinks are created equal. If you add a backlink to your website that has nothing to do with your industry or services, that can actually hurt your website, so be careful. The backlinks meter would fall under the UR section here, currently at a 16. You have a lot of backlinks. It's not giving you a lot of boost. You might want to gather more of the high authority websites, one that get a lot of traffic, simply just high authority inside of Google's eyes. Referring domains, that would fall under citations group. A citation is essentially your company's business name, address, and phone number listed throughout the web in different directories. A directory would be something like Yelp, Angie's List, or Yellow Pages. Any one of those websites out there that allows business owners to list business information and services to create a new avenue for people to reach them for their services, that is what a citation is. As you can imagine, if a website is lacking keywords, backlinks, and citations, that site is not really getting any boost, which of course leads to missing out on opportunities, like calls and leads and all that fun stuff. This is one of your competitors, Urban Roots Landscaping. As you can see, they don't have a lot of content either. It's a good website also. What they have going in the background, they have 129 keywords in a monthly basis, almost 200 people jumping into their website, referring domains 9, backlinks 31, UR 8, and DR 0.1. They are above you. I believe I found them in the first page, if not the second page, but they are getting more traffic into their website. As you can see, the organic keywords, this is very important. There are people searching for your services, but you're just not being found as much as these guys. A good keyword would be, for example, landscapers Tacoma. Looks like they're getting 200 searches of search volume, I should say. KD is just only one, so it doesn't take much to rank for this specific keywords if you add correct backlinks and citations. Another would be, let's see, Tacoma Lawn Care, 115. So you can see high volume keyword search. These are good keywords to have on your website. Just get those good backlinks and citations and you should be set. This is pretty much what we do. This is pretty much what we specialize in. Hopefully this has been informative and educational for you. I really hope you got a lot out of this. If you need more information or have any questions, give me a call, text, or send me an email. We're here for you. Hope to hear from you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.